Hi and welcome back to Down the Shed. So this is experiment 4B at the Elenco 15.1 electronic playground. This is pretty much the same experiment as before. Since we have two resistors in parallel and a second LED that is not being used, let's modify the circuit to match the schematic below. It's basically the same circuit, but instead of just parallel resistors, there are parallel resistor LED circuits. Disconnect the wire between 51, the 100k ohm resistor, and 42, the 3.3k resistor, and connect it between 51 and 1, LED 1. Add a wire from 2, LED 1 to 4, LED 2. Replace the 100k resistor with several values as before, such as 1k, 10k and others if you wish. Pressing the switch and observing the LEDs each time. The brightness of LED 2 will not change, but the brightness of LED 1 will depend on the resistor value you place in series with it. So if we have a look at the water diagram, you'll see the resistance to the rocks on the water meter or the LED is large and the other one is small. So let's try it out. So I'm going to kill some lights and let's press the switch. So this is the modified circuit. I've already pre-wired this one as we've done the circuit before. So as you can see, LED 1 is dim and LED 2 is much brighter. So we'll bring some light back and we'll change the 100k resistor for a 33k to start with. Kill the lights again and we'll press the button again. As you can see, LED 2 stays the same brightness, but LED 1 has increased slightly. So once more we'll change the 33k up to 1k. And now LED 1 or the red LED should be much brighter. And as you can see, we're almost similar brightnesses on the LEDs now. So this is a comparison of parallel currents. So let's do one more. We'll change the 1k to the 470 and we should have an extremely bright red LED. So this is project 4B. So let's kill the light again. As you can see, the red LED is absolutely shining bright. So that's parallel currents. So I hope you like this video, another very short one. The next video will be experiment 5 and a combined circuit. So thanks for watching, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in project number 5.